Entertaining a second SP is not giving up on your first SP. Like I said in the video that you were replying to, focusing on the attributes that you appreciate more than the old unfavorable story that you have about original SP will manifest more of those attributes and behaviors and things like that in all the people around you, including SP1. Because whether you're being specific about your affirmations or your visualizations or general, those thoughts are going out in all directions, and the people who can show you those things to be true via the path of least resistance will first. So those people are the ones that you don't have the old unfavorable story about. And in the meantime, you're doing the work on yourself. You're incorporating in my cheat codes, right? Nervous system regulation work, self-concept work, including treating yourself how you want to be treated, not just your I am affirmations. And feel good things that you enjoy doing that are unrelated to your manifestation. And all of those things help you change the story up here as well as the memories that were stored as feelings here, so that the old unfavorable story dissipates and you prepare your physiology for when your manifestation, whether it's SP or something tangible, whatever, comes in, so that you don't self-sabotage it in the way that you did the first time around. For a lot of people, simply incorporating in my manifestation cheat codes is enough to get them there. Example, there was a success story that I shared on my Instagram story, which is in my successes Instagram highlights on my Instagram. We'll also be sharing the longer form success story from that person on YouTube very soon. But that was not a one-to-one client. That's someone who has followed me for quite some time, has jumped on a few of my TikTok live streams. I answered a few questions on there for them, but they really just focused on incorporating in my manifestation cheat codes, and they got what they wanted. If you do feel that you need more structured guidance and for whatever reason one-to-one coaching is not for you, you can also check out the Reunited with Romantic SP workshop that's available via my page. Otherwise, there's a bunch of free content on all my free platforms that are also linked via my page, and of course the one-to-one coaching is there if you would like it.